Hello everyone, today we're going to be wild camping in the Lake District.
We're going to be cooking our own food, swimming, building our own tents, and we'll see how it goes.
We're coming up to the first spot. Barely in. It's a sick waterfall. I think we're camping up there. No idea where we're camping. I'm just winging it. But hopefully it's a good camp. Need a pitch before sunset. It's in a couple hours, so should be able to get up there. Right. I'll come back to you a little bit up. Just looking at some wild camping, wild swimming spots. Crystal clear, little pond there, and this river goes all the way up there, right? There's just a bunch of waterfalls, so might come here tomorrow morning for a little shower. That's about it. Isaac, how are you feeling?
Alright, it's got a lot on my back.
Yeah.
It's pretty hard.
We're almost at the tarn. Took our shirts off a long time ago.
Yeah.
Got way too hot. But the view
Beautiful
is
view.
tremendous. I reckon the tarn's just up there. Then we're going to find a place to pitch. Far away from the trail. But see you there. We've made it to the tarn. Oh my days. The view is beautiful. Crazy. Some people camping nearby. In a bright blue tent. So I think we're gonna have to go somewhere else. Yeah. Alright, made it to the tarn. Shit's beautiful. Thinking of camping maybe up that way.
We'll see what's around there, but like
They're getting us to move on. I don't know if you can see them. Them over there. They're getting us to move on.
they're
Oh.
100% going to get asked to move on.
Oh. Gonna find a good spot to camp. Might go for a swim actually. Pretty warm. Alright. Hello everyone. It's been a while since last recording, like three hours I think. We've got pitched up down there, getting some food. And my friends pitched up just there. I was gonna pitch just below him, right there, but way too windy for my tent. I missed out on a right view. I'm not happy. But we're just chilling, making some I'm out of the wind down there. My friend isn't there. It's gonna be pretty poo for him tonight. Tonight, this is the meal, Mexican chili. My friend's got the pot noodles. What are you having, Daniel?
I'm on peri peri. Do you want to look inside it?
Yeah.
How's it look?
Yeah.
Question of all. Hope it tastes better than it looks like.
Sweet. Hello everyone, I think it's a bit dark in my tent here, but just wanted to show you the sleep set. So, we've got a pillowcase full of my jacket. This Van Gogh mat. It's alright, they're rubbish. And this unreleased sleeping bag from Van Gogh that I got. It's got a comfort of 4, so I think I'm going to be fine tonight. Catch you in the morning. Hello everyone, woke up a couple of minutes ago and thought it wouldn't rain. It said 5% chance of rain. Tent is soaked. But have a look at the view. See you then. We're making a descent now. We got packed up and scrambling down. Got to come down a waterfall to get here. But my sleep was horrible. I was up at 2 AM because a sheep was at my tent. That wasn't fun.
Right guys, so we're making our descent right now, and we were going to go swimming this morning, however it's been raining and it's got quite a lot colder now, you know, it's a lot more cloudy, so I think we're just going to make the descent and then go for some breakfast somewhere, but we'll let you know.